He makes beautiful wearable clothes that, like, whenever he does a show, I'm looking, like, saying, I want that, I want that, I want to wear that right now.
The look of today is a girl who goes to an all-girl college. She's not rebellious, but she doesn't always follow all the rules. It's a 60s inspired kind of look, bouffant in the back, and it gets pinned at the nape of the neck. When we have girls with short hair, we have the same side sweep in the front, but we're going to leave it punky in the back. First, we blow-dried the hair with the Volume Mousse by Fito, and then with the workable finishing spray, we sprayed the whole hair, section by section. We use a little bit of the fiber paste by Fito to separate it, and then we start teasing it, fixing it in the front with the side part, and pinning it in the back. She's an individual. She doesn't want to just follow the crowd.